So at this point, I'm sure you guys are tired of learning foundation stitches, but I have one more to teach you, and it's still a game changer. I really wish I knew these stitches back when I first started to learn how to crochet. So I've got one more for you, and that is the double crochet foundation stitch. I know we just learned how to do the double crochet, so go back and check that if you haven't already, and come back here. This foundation stitch I use mostly when working with blankets that start with a long starting foundation. This foundation stitch is chef's kiss for starting blankets or other longer starting foundation projects, wraps, scarf, like stuff like that. It's amazing, and it's still just as simple as the other two. So we're just gonna jump right into it like we normally do. So you're gonna start with a slip knot, and if you don't know how to do that, yes, go back, check previous videos, and we're on our way. So to start, just like before on the others, you're going to chain 2 to start. And then you are going to yarn over, and into your first chain, you're going to insert your hook, and you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull up 1 loop. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Now from here, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through 1 loop on your hook, so you still have 3 remaining. Now this is where the double crochet part comes in. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, and you're gonna yarn over 1 last time and pull through both of those loops that you have on your hook. So I've got my first double crochet foundation stitch. And then to continue growing your foundation from here, you continue working into the bottom of the previous stitch that you just made. So to make another one, yarn over, and then into the bottom of that previous stitch, you're going to insert your hook, and always make sure that you're catching both of those loops. You're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull up a new loop, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there you have your second foundation double crochet. And that's all there is to it. Like I said, it's quick, it's easy, just like the other two. It's nice knowing all of the different foundation stitches for the different projects you may or may not be working. So now you know how to do the single crochet foundation, the half double crochet foundation, and now the double crochet foundation. At this point, we have gone over all of the basic stitches that are used everywhere, and now we can jump into the more fun things, and I am excited. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Like I said, go back, check previous videos, make sure you're up to date, and so you don't miss the crazy, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna go, you go practice, and I'll catch you later.